Hey guys, just wanted to say today we're going to be talking about the last letter of the alphabet. It's the last letter that we're going to go over with handwriting without tears before we start reviewing everything. So the last letter we are going to talk about is the letter Z. What do we need to make this letter Z? We need two little lines and one big line. So to start with the letter Z, I have my board here. We're going to start over by the smiley face. We're going to draw a little line across the top. Then from the opposite side of the smiley face, we're going to do a diagonal line down to the bottom. And then we're going to draw a little line across the bottom. We're not going to pick up our fingers, so we're going to start by the smiley face, little line across the top, big diagonal line down, little line across the bottom. So let's do that one more time. We're going to start by the smiley face at the top, little line across the top, big diagonal line down, and little line across the bottom. That's our letter Z. It's pretty easy. So now you have learned how to make every letter of the alphabet. And next week we'll start reviewing them. But before we sign off today, we have our letter Z book. In here, let's look at some of the words that we have that start with the letter Z. Zipper. Zipper. Sometimes our jackets have zippers, or our pants might have zippers. Zippers. And that's a good finger skill that you are working with, is pinch your fingers. This is the animal that you might see at the zoo. It's a zebra. This is a number, and it's the very first number. We don't really start counting with this number, but it is the number 0. And sometimes people will say O because it looks like the letter O, but it's a 0 because it's a number. When we are able to leave our houses, we might make a trip to the zoo, or on your TVs, you might have been visiting some zoos. This is a vegetable that we grow in a garden. It's called a zucchini. And I would bet not many of you eat zucchini. And the last Z word I have is zigzag. Sometimes when we are drawing, we might draw some zigzags, and they go up and down, or they might go side to side, just like our letter Z. So if I turn this sideways, it kind of looks like a letter Z. That's my zigzag. Okay, friends, that's it. We'll see you later.